suck, sober thoughts, yeah. And is it me that you want, me that you want? Guess it's me that you want.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is MylaSimone here. First of all, my hands are ashy and I need some lotion, so I'll be right back. It is 12 o'clock at night, or I guess you could say in the morning. We're just going to ignore the fact that I am super duper sleepy, and we are going to get started on this palette review. We'll be reviewing the Moschino and SEPHORA Laptop Palette. The whole concept of this palette was like the working girl vibe, which is what it says on the back of the packaging. This palette retails for $60. Yes, that is a little bit high. You're really paying for like the packaging and the concept, and not really the shades. Now, don't get me wrong, the shades are beautiful. I did swatch them. I will include a clip right here of me showing all of the swatches on my arm. I am a rouge. I think that's how you say it. Rouge. Anyways, whatever that is, I'm that at Sephora. So with that being said, when I went into Sephora, I got 20% off. I only paid $48 for this palette, which definitely was a steal. So outside of the packaging, this is what it looks like. It comes with like a little plastic sheet with all the names on it. And if you guys have watched any of my previous makeup palette reviews, you guys know I am not a fan of these, but whatever. This is what the palette looks like. Also, I purchased the eyeliner pencil. I'll like list the price right here, but I think it was like maybe $16. I don't know. Don't quote me. I'll list the price right here of how much this was. All right, guys, that's enough. I can go on and on for hours at a time. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this makeup tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. So I am taking a JH32 brush. And the first shade we're gonna go in with is, oh Lord, let me get my little plastic sheet. Pink shade right here called Display. I am going to blend that into my crease for my first transition color. And the next shade I'm gonna go in with is this raspberry shade right here called Insert. And I'm just gonna pop that in the crease, just to deepen up the eye a little bit. Both of these pigments that I've used so far are super duper pigmented, super duper easy to blend out, and I am literally living for it. Like, just look at that color. The next shade I'm gonna go in with is this purple one right here called Monitor. I'm just gonna focus this color right here on the outer corner of the eye. The last thing we're gonna do for the crease is apply this black shade right here called Matrix. And I'm just applying a little bit of this just to deepen up that crease and give us a little bit of depth. I hope this doesn't like ruin the entire look. Now taking that purple shade Monitor, and I am going to blend this black shade out. So of course I'm going to clean this up. I'm not like the neatest when it comes to eyeshadows. Don't pay that any attention. I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I am using the P. Louise base once again. I'm just going to cut my crease a little bit more than halfway. For the lid color, I'm going to use this orange called Restart. Now I'm just going to draw on a wing using the little felt tip marker. It's so adorable. And yeah, here we go. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and then pop on lashes, and then I will be back to complete the rest of the face with you guys. for foundation, I am using the NARS foundation stick. Comment down below, you guys. Are they like not selling these anymore? Because this is like my favorite foundation. But anyways, this is the NARS foundation stick in the shade Benars Dark 3. I'm just gonna put 2 lines right here, 1 right there, and a few on my forehead, right here too. Okay. Because this foundation is so red, I'm gonna mix a little bit of my NARS Radiant Sheer Glow foundation. Now this bottle says Sephora, indeed, yes it does, but it's a long story, you guys. Basically, my NARS Sheer Glow foundation bottle cracked because you guys know it's made out of glass. So when I was storing it in my Alex drawer, I guess from me just opening and closing my Alex drawer, basically my foundation bottle shattered into a million, well not shattered into a million pieces, but basically like the little top part cracked or whatever. So I had to transfer it into a different bottle. So that's why it's in this bottle. But yeah, it's the NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Macao Medium Dark 4, I do believe. So I'm just gonna take a few drops of this. First I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. My feelings are so hurt about that. A few drops, just 2 drops on each side. That's it. To blend this out, I'm going to be using the Morphe M439 Kabuki brush. This brush is so nice. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer, and this one is in the shade 385. And then I'm also going to be highlighting with the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and this is in the shade Peanut Butter. Underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, lip, chin, forehead. I'm going to go over those spots with a little bit of the Overachiever concealer. Literally using the tiniest amount for this. I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. Alright you guys, so for contour I am using the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my nose just a little bit, underneath my lip, my chin, a little bit on my forehead, and a little bit under here. I like to mix both of these Laura Mercier A translucent setting powders. One is in the shade Medium Deep, and then the other one is in the shade Translucent. So Medium Deep is like too dark for me. It looks kind of orangey. And then the Translucent one is like way too powdery. Basically, I'm just going to take the cap, and I'm going to put a little bit of translucent powder in there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the Medium Deep translucent powder in there. Take a brush and just mix the powders together like so. Take my sponge and dip it into here and just press it underneath my eyes. Just press the powder in like so. You guys, literally the perfect shade for me. And it's so sad that I have to like waste money and buy both of these just to like have the perfect color setting powder for me. It's a new technique that I've found that works for me. And I'm pretty excited about it, so I don't mind. I'm just setting in all the places that I had put concealer. We are going to finish up the lower lash line, and all I'm doing is using the same colors that I used on top in like the reversed effect. For highlighter, I am using the Sunset Aura by ABH. And like ever since I got this highlighter, I've been like super obsessed with gold highlighter. Ooh. Pop it on my inner corners. Ooh, so pretty. Alright, you guys, I'm going to set my face with the 3-in-1 Hangover Spray by Too Faced. We're just going to use the Artist Couture lip gloss in the shade Sugar Baby. It's so pretty, so soft, and it smells so good. I think I'm going to line my lips just a little bit with the Chestnut Lip Liner from MAC. This is the final look of me using the Moschino and Sephora laptop palette and also the Moschino and Sephora marker eyeliner. I love both of these products. As far as the palette goes, I think the shades are very pigmented. I think they blend like a dream. I mean, look at them on my eyes. My favorite shade, hands down, in the palette right now is this orange shade. And this right here, like I told you guys, I'm not a fan of like marker eyeliners. But oh my goodness, this one is just like filled with ink. Like, that don't even sound right. Like, the ink comes out so easy. Like, you don't have to press down super hard on your eyes for it to come off or anything. You just lightly press on your eyes, draw your wing, and yes, girl, you get your matte black wing. NYX eyeliner, girl, I don't know. You got some competition. I don't know. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys thought about this makeup look. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you doing? Hit that button so that you do not miss another video. Oh, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.